Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2021 Chrysler Pacifica equipped with the ATS Vans rear entry manual ramp. Let's go ahead and bring the ramp down. This one is going to have the automatic liftgate. On the sides here you will have these latches that you need to undo. And you can use this handle to bring the ramp down. So this ramp here is going to be 34 inches wide. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 57 inches. Back here you will have the wheelchair user. And this is a full cut conversion, so if you needed to do gurney, this one can be set up for gurney. And in the middle you will have captain's chairs. And this van here only has 69,000 miles. Let's go ahead and bring the ramp back in. Make sure you lock the latches and close the liftgate. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and of course service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Let's go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 69,000 miles. You will also have a touchscreen infotainment system with a backup camera. This one is going to have the leather seats. And here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.